I'm out here in Humboldt Bay again. This time I decided to tackle the south end, and it's crazy. The tide's coming in, but it's a little bit low right now, so I'm making my way through these winding sloughs. It's really pretty nice and windy today. I'm traveling about 4 knots and making way better time than I thought. It's just a perfect day to be in a boat with about maybe 10 inches of draft. I can kick up the lee boards if I manage to hit something, but so far so good. Beautiful day on the water. Glad I'm still out here sailing. Still making my way through this channel here. I'm about 3 miles in since I left boat ramp, and it's going pretty good so far. There's a bunch of walls, so I'm just kind of ghosting. Then I get past an opening, get a little bit of wind, and start moving again. So far, it's a beautiful trip. Really be careful along here with reading your nautical maps on your phone. It's really important, just to make sure you don't run aground, because it's about 20 feet wide and I think it's probably only maybe 10 feet deep. Just beautiful out here. Making my way through some of these little spots here, and actually moving pretty good. Just beautiful. An hour and 20 minutes is all it took to cover that 4 miles, and I'm about to make my way into the dock without having paddled all day. I really enjoy being out here sailing.